Hey everyone, welcome back. A lot of people get into tax preparation for the seasonal income, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I want to challenge you to think bigger, because this field could be a legitimate, long-term career if you approach it the right way. So let's talk about the steps to get there. Step 1, commit to continuous learning. The tax code changes every year. New legislation, new IRS guidance, new court rulings, inflation adjustments to brackets and thresholds. The preparers who stagnate are the ones who learned enough to pass their first season and never picked up another book. Commit to at least 20 hours of continuing education per year, whether your state requires it or not. Stay current. I call it job security. Step 2, pursue a credential. Starting as a P10 only preparer is fine, but if you want to expand your scope, increase your fees, and build credibility, consider becoming an enrolled agent. The EA exam is challenging but passable with dedicated study, and it gives you unlimited representation rights before the IRS. That's a significant upgrade from where you start. Some preparers eventually pursue a CPA or even a law degree, but the EA is the most practical next step for most independent preparers. Step 3 is to specialize. The preparers who earn the highest fees aren't generalists. They're known for something. Maybe you become the go-to preparer for small contractors. Maybe you specialize in real estate investors. Maybe you focus on gig economy workers or small restaurants. A niche gives you expertise, pricing power, and a clear message for marketing. Step 4, build recurring revenue. I've talked about this in other videos, but it bears repeating. Bookkeeping, payroll, tax planning, and advisory services turn a seasonal practice into a year-round business. Every service you add deepens the client relationship and increases what each client is worth to your practice and willing to pay you. Step 5, build a team. At some point, you can't grow by doing more returns yourself. You hire a seasonal preparer, then another one. You hire a bookkeeper. You bring on an admin. Now you're running a firm, not just a practice. Your role shifts from doing the work to managing the business, reviewing returns, and serving your highest value clients. Step 6 is to become the person other professionals refer to. When the local real estate agent's client needs a preparer, your name comes up. When the financial advisor's client needs tax planning, they call you. When a business attorney's client needs a trusted preparer for their new entity, they send them your way. Referral-driven practices are the most sustainable and the most profitable. This isn't a 5-year plan. This is a 20-year career arc, and it starts with solid training and a commitment to doing the work. If you're ready to start building, MuseSpring.com is where we lay the foundation. Quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. I appreciate you all watching. I'll see you in the next one.